yellow Tesla Model Y.
Wow.
Should I let him get in front of me? How are you doing?
Wow, really yellow, right?
Mm-hmm. He's kept his... Okay.
Oh, which one? Wait, which one is that?
And that's another Tesla here.
Yeah, that's what they're saying. In Hong Kong, you see the most Teslas in the world.
Yes, that's true. What is he on a phone? See? You can't see him. It's like using phones when they're driving. A yellow Tesla Model Y.
Wow.
Should I let him get in front of me? What are you doing?
Wow, really yellow, right?
Mm-hmm. He's kept his... Okay.
Oh, which one is that?
And that's another Tesla here.
Yeah, that's what they're saying. In Hong Kong, you see the most Teslas in the world.
Yes, that's true. What, is he using a phone? See? You can't see him. It's like using phones when they're driving.
You also use?
Not when I'm driving. I use a phone like this here. But they've got it on his hands. So he's got wheel curbing on his yellow Tesla.